I was looking at the economic and policy analyses in our stack, and the way this is actually reaching patients right now is fascinating. So, what does this all mean for someone who needs this treatment today?
Well, the answer isn't another scientific breakthrough. It's actually a profound regulatory hack. To understand how patients are accessing this today, we have to look at the Buolecheng International Medical Tourism Pilot Zone in China's Hainan province.
It's a special medical zone carved out geographically and legally, right?
Exactly. The central government gave this specific zone unprecedented policy exemptions. And the absolute regulatory genius of Buolecheng was redefining what a stem cell is in the eyes of the law.
Wait, how do you redefine a cell?
Usually, regulatory bodies like the FDA in the United States or the European Medicines Agency look at a stem cell therapy and categorize it as a pharmaceutical drug.
Okay.
And drugs require 10 to 15 years of phase 1, 2, and 3 randomized, double-blind clinical trials, costing hundreds of millions of dollars before a single civilian can buy it.
But inside the Lisheng zone, the Chinese regulatory authorities officially classified specific, safety-verified autologous stem cell therapies not as pharmaceuticals, but as medical technologies.
Precisely.
That distinction completely changes the entire timeline of human access.
It really does. If a top-tier, specially licensed hospital inside the zone passes strict safety, ethics, and pricing audits, they can legally offer these therapies commercially to patients who meet the strict clinical criteria right now.
Right now.
They do not have to wait a decade for a pharmaceutical designation.
Which brings us to the actual economics of this. If we look at the official 2025 pricing directories detailed in our sources, we get some hard numbers. For a standard package, say, targeting type 2 diabetes with MSCs, the base cost runs between $12,000 to $18,000.
And for highly complex end-stage cases requiring deep custom cellular engineering, like the bespoke iPSC treatments, that package can climb to $20,000 and in extreme cases, all the way up to $110,000.
To the average listener, $110,000 sounds absolutely astronomical. It sounds like healthcare only for billionaires.
It is a massive upfront cost, there's no denying that. But the economic reports urge us to look at the comparative global economics and reframe how we view the cost of chronic disease.
How so?
That $12,000 to $18,000 base package is actually 50% to 70% cheaper than comparable, albeit less advanced, regenerative therapies currently attempting to enter the U.S. market.